I present a review on sentiment analysis using supervised machine learning techniques. Abstract. Sentiment analysis is a technique used to identify information by analyzing the subjectives presented in a sentence. In sentiment analysis, text analytics, which combines deep learning and machine learning with natural language processing, is used to develop classification models and calculate sentiment scores. Text can be divided as positive, neutral, or negative and is often represented with a score to reflect the strength of the sentiment. The goal of sentiment analysis is to access customers' or users' opinion on a target object by analyzing a vast volume of text from many sources. It is challenging to discover the appropriate sentiment polarity and analyze proper sentiment meaning from large amount of data. The objective of this paper is to give a quick overview of sentimental analysis and its technique as well as comparison of sentiment analysis research. Introduction. Sentiment analysis is a machine learning tool that analyzes text for polarity from positive to negative. Sentiment analysis is often performed on textual data to help business monitor brand and product, sentiment in customers' feedback, and understand customers' need. It plays an important role in product and brand recognition, customer loyalty, satisfaction, advertising and promotion success, and product acceptance. Product managers and customer success managers can make more precious product roadmap changes by understanding customer psychology. By training machine learning tools with example of emotion in text, machines automatically learn how to detect sentiment without human input. Machine learning sentiment analysis technique, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning, in which machines are trained using a well-labeled training data, and on a basis of that data, machine predicts the output. Unsupervised learning, it cannot be directly applied to a regression or a classification problem because unlike supervised learning, we have the input data but no corresponding output. Reinforcement learning. It is an area of machine learning concerned with how intelligence access how to take action in an environment in order to maximize the notion of cumulative rewards. Process involved in sentiment analysis. First, we have to collect the data and then the data preparation and feature selection and feature vector construction, then sentiment identification and classification by using the learned classifiers and analysis and evaluation of models by using accuracy, precision, recall and FN score. Sentiment analysis categories. Document level sentiment analysis, aspect based sentiment analysis, and sentence based sentiment analysis. In document level sentiment analysis, absolute opinion mining initial level, which only considered the record. Aspect-based sentiment analysis. This is an approach to research various perspectives on client about different aspects on comparative items. Sentence-level sentiment analysis. This level of sentiment analysis decides if a sentence conveys a positive, negative, or a neutral evaluation. Machine learning algorithms in sentiment analysis. Support vectorization, SVM, linear regression, naive-based classifier, multi-layer perceptron, decision tree classifier, random forest, and maximum entropy. Two types of supervised learning algorithm. First one, binary class supervised learning algorithm. This is a supervised learning algorithm that categorizes new observation into one of two classes. Multi-class supervised learning algorithm, a classification task with more than two classes. Literature review. First, the power of the ensemble learning in sentiment analysis is used with logistic regression, CNN and LSTM. It gives a result of extension of comparison of various output types, combination methods, and ensemble selection approaches of several popular sentiment classification algorithms from different paradigms and lexicon-based classification. Next, ensemble transfer learning based multimodal sentiment analysis using weighted convolution neural network uses a method of recurrent neural network. On the MBSA and T4SA dataset, the accuracy was 0.9348 and 0.989. A machine learning based sentiment analysis of online product reviews with a novel term, weighting and future selection approach uses a method of local search improvised BAT algorithm based Elman neural network. The LSIBA ENN accuracy while employing LTF-MICF is 92.01%, aimed at the movie and also TV dataset. The proposed classifier obtains 93.91% accuracy. The next one is flower classification using supervised learning, and this uses a method of KNN, K nearest neighbor. It gives an accuracy of classification model KNN of 96.67%. A novel fusion-based deep learning model for sentiment analysis of COVID-19 tweets uses a method of CNN, convolution neural network, and this evaluate the exhibition of proposed strategy for Twitter sentiment analysis. And these are all the other literature review I have used in this paper. And in this, the random forest and the support vector machine-based hybrid approach to the sentiment analysis uses the method of random forest and SPM. This gives a result of accuracy and provides a good stability when compared to the other algorithms. Next is semi-supervised learning for big social data analysis uses a method of semi-supervised algorithm. Distillation of knowledge due to the massive amount of unstructured information available is of considerable importance for tasks such as social media marketing, product positioning, and financial market prediction. Performance matrices. Here are some of the formulas to perform the accuracy, precision, recall, and FN score. Discussion. Related research has shown that hybrid techniques are significantly more effective and produce more accurate result. Random forest and support vector machine discovered significant insight in the product reviews dataset. With the expansion of the World Wide Web, the amount of text available online has grown exponentially. People nowadays express themselves in their native languages in a variety of topics. However, the majority of existing works analyzes user comments using English review dataset. As a result, sentiment analysis in multiple languages required. Conclusion. Deep neural network have automatic feature extraction and does not require any manual intervention. However, they demand high computing power and is expensive. The result in each case were quite satisfactory and they encourage their continued use in other fields. It can be concluded that employing various supervised machine learning classifiers make it easier to classify tweets and increase the accuracy of the findings. All of the methods and the studies covered in this review can be used as a springboard for further research. And these are all the references I have taken for this paper. Thank you.